Hey, good morning. This is Sri Daddy from Daddy Cryptos. It's beautiful day today, uh, Saturday morning. So I'll do a quick video, uh, and we'll go from there. Okay. So again, wonderful morning today. So it's it was very cooler, but now today it's very pleasant day today. So okay. So coffee house and Starbucks coffee all ready to go. Hey, he's busy doing his morning outing. I'm just recording you. Keep up the good work. Yeah. Thank you, guy. So I have my coffee, and let's get started. So it's about 9:30 or so, California, Los Angeles, Orange County, Newport Beach time. Okay. So if you have been to my site before, you know, if you are into cryptos, you'll want to know what's going on. Like this button in Facebook, you'll get all my updates, which I do post pretty frequent. Okay. If you haven't got started yet, go to the sign up button and it'll take you to the starting page on how to get started. So my contact information. Okay. So I just posted this. I'm not sure why it's not showing up, but these are the top. Yeah. So these are the as of 10 minutes back. This is where the cryptos are. Bitcoin down 5%, Ethereum 3%. Ethereum Classic has been doing good. Mostly Koreans are buying it. 2.9%. Litecoin 3.6% down. Ripple 5% down. These are down because it all went up like 10 to 20% in the last 2 days. Okay, so I'll show you the chart. So this is what I'm talking about. So it went up here and it's coming down. So I'll explain that a little bit more. You'll always see reds and greens follow each other, unlike stocks where it's always fully green and then there'll be a big red. But here there'll be incremental greens and incremental reds, and that's how it should be. Okay, so again back to the previous page. The one that stands out is this guy, Luna, and then this XRB Nano was up like 30-40% in the last 2 days. It's not available here in the US, so maybe it's there in Binance. This DGD is also going up. It's gold-backed cryptocurrency. It's not available here in Bittrex. It's there in Binance and others. I'm trying to see how we can leverage this asset in the US. It's not available right now, but extremely good. It was $100, but because it has gold backing, it is really going up. Okay, Zcash 390. It's down. Yeah, so basically, most of the reds are down because they were all green. Even Z Classic, it was up like 50%. Now it's coming down a bit. Okay, we'll cover the big ones, which is Bitcoin or BTC, Ethereum, and then Litecoin and maybe Ripple and a few others. Okay, so let's see what's going on. This is the live as we see right now. So Bitcoin getting better from 6.9 right now to 9.6 to 9.7, so $100 up. So it's now 4% down in US dollars. Okay, these are the different currencies. Bitcoin Cash, I'll skip. I don't think it's a good coin. I mean, it's okay, but that should be your last one on your list, not the first one. Ethereum is kind of it doesn't go down as much, which is good for Ethereum. It's not going down below this 800. Okay, so which is a good I would call a support level. And even Litecoin is not going down below this 200, which is also good. So if you're into if you want to get started, probably your best bet is lower investment is Litecoin. Okay, but then 200 is kind of where the base is right now. Like Bitcoin space now is at 9.7. I don't think it will go down below, but these are the lower pricing is what we are saying. So Bitcoin as of February 12th, if you see, it was around this 6,000, 7,800. Okay, between 12th and 20th in 10 days, it's gone up like from it literally doubled from 7 till like 12, right? So about 75%. So like I keep mentioning, Bitcoin and these cryptos are market driven, meaning it's 24/7 all around the world. So when it goes up, some few folks want to take profit, right? They are traders. So this is good corrections, okay? Unlike stocks, it just goes up and up and up, and then there will be a big downs. But cryptos, the good part is individual investors are buying these, then they're selling it, and again buying, selling, which is how the market should be, okay? So Bitcoin is right now at 9.7. It was at 10.5 yesterday. So most people who do day trading, because it's 24/7, they'll buy in these lows and sell here. The spread is $600-700. So on a $10,000 investment, if you can make $7,000, I don't think any other asset or investment gives you that, not even any stocks. So that's why you see Bitcoin going up and coming down, because if the swings are there, the traders can trade. If it is flat going up, then it's okay. But the traders, especially with the futures in, they do day trading, right? So whenever there's a swing of or spread of $500 to $1,000, they'll sell it and buy it back. Okay, that's important. They are buying it back here. So this is the support right now, 9.6. Okay, if it comes lower, then the support will be at 8.5. But even if it comes here, they'll buy it here and take it back to 11. And then that's kind of what the traders would do, and majority are traders. Okay, the long-term holders just buy it and hold it. They don't need to worry about these day-to-day things. Okay, let me show Litecoin. So Litecoin, as the chart comes up, as you can see, the volumes are good. The spread is 15 cents. So there's a lot of people buying and selling around this 201. So Litecoin doesn't go in dollars; it goes in cents. Okay, so you see when in 5-6 cents, it keeps if Litecoin goes up $1-2, then it's a big deal. Let me show you Ethereum. Ethereum goes up similar in few in cents and dollars. Bitcoin is only one which jumps a lot higher, say in terms of dollars. Okay, so these are the reds are the sell orders and greens are the buy orders, and these are bigger candles. Okay, there's a lot of support here, as you can see. A lot of people are buying here at 9,700. Okay, and if that comes down, then a lot of people are ready to buy. This is 4 cents, just in 4 cents spread, people want to buy and sell. Okay, so when you keep hearing Bitcoin will crash, no, it won't. There's a lot of support. People won't let it come down because it's worldwide traded, and that's what this is. It has a support here. Okay, these are the candles. These are like what candle is it? It's 6 hours candle. Okay, that means each one of this in 6 hours it came down this much, and this was 6 hours. So this is good that it's going up. So it will again do its rally and it'll go. But I think when the spread will be like $1,000 or $700, then there'll be people will sell, because like I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of day traders. They do shorts and longs. Okay, so that's what's going on. What is the longer term? Let me do a daily candle. So this was the lowest. Bitcoin came down since December, right? 5,600. And as you can see, if you bought in here at 5,600, you literally doubled your money, because it went up to 11,000, 1,200 or 700, right? So it's double your money in less than 2 weeks, right? From February 8th to 20th. So because it went up like 100% or 202 times, right? It needs to come down, and that's what it's doing. Okay, so you have to put a context to these charts, so then these things will make sense. Yes, because it's down 5% because it went up like 75%. Okay, so let me, what else is there? Ethereum, very similar. When Bitcoin is the main primary driver. If Bitcoin comes down, everything else comes down, no matter what coin you hold. That's why I would say always monitor and hold Bitcoin, because that guy is the driver. So when the peak for Ethereum was 1400, right, in January. This is and the low for Ethereum is 540. So if you were able to buy around this 550, what happens is most people they buy here and they get frightened when it comes down, and they won't buy here, right? Yeah. If you're into trading, you should do the reverse. Whenever it's going up, like when it was, see, this is daily candle. There was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days of up days. So there will be 4 days of correction. That's how it works. When there's 4 days of correction, and this was like, you keep hearing about the FUD, the CNBC and all these guys. They don't want you to buy cryptos because you're taking money out of the bank. They want you to buy stocks and keep money in the banks. The moment you buy cryptos or gold, you're taking money away from the bank. So there was a lot of scare here, scaring people from buying, and the bankers bought the cryptos here. They scare everyone to sell theirs, and then they end up buying, and they take it up and they will sell it on tops. So same thing with Ethereum. So it did a good job coming till 1000, and now it's at 800. This is its lower level support. I don't think it will come down below this. This is a good one to go, and it'll rally up. Okay. So let's look at what else I have on my side for you guys. Okay, we covered that. In your own time, click this link. This is what will happen to the general economy this year. Okay, this is different perspectives of independent investors. No, you won't hear this in CNBC or Fox Business. This interview with Peter Schiff was in Fox Business, and he was talking about what's coming. And Peter Schiff is not a crypto guy, so he thinks that gold stocks will go up. Yes, it will, because cryptos and gold are hedges to the US stocks. So he doesn't talk of crypto, but if you want to understand what's going on with US economy with high debts and interest rate, listen to this 5-minute video. And if you want more details, and these guys are accurate. They have been forecasting these markets for several years, and this guy